So we've been learning about our coins for the last couple of weeks, and this week we've really focused on counting our money. Today we want to continue that, but we're going to add on that $1 bill. So the first thing I want us to notice is the way that we write $1. So you're going to have your dollar sign, and we've seen this already with our coins. Then you have a 1 because this time it's not smaller than a dollar, it is a dollar. Then we do our decimal, 0, 0. That is how we write $1 for the dollar bill. Now, before I count on the rest of this, let's go ahead and mark these so we know what each coin is. So this one even tells me quarter dollar. I know that quarters are worth 25 cents each. So I'm going to go ahead and label it on my coin. Now I'm looking at this one. This is my small silver coin. I know that is a dime, and a dime is 10 cents. So I'm going to mark each of these with 10 cents so I know what they're worth. And then, even though a lot of people get these confused, this is not a quarter. This is Jefferson on here. This is my nickel worth 5 cents. This is the back of my nickel worth 5 cents. And then 3 pennies. So 1 cent, 1 cent, and 1 cent. Now that we have this, let's go back to our $1 and let's start counting up. So we know that 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. So we have our $1, we put our decimal, and now we have the 25 cents. Now, what did we learn about 2 quarters? 2 quarters are worth 50 cents. So now instead of $1.25, now we have those 2 quarters together, and that's $1.50. Now, look at this part right here. Take 50 and add 10 more. So that would be $1.60. Now, what happens if I add 10 more again? $1 and what, everybody? 70 cents. So y'all should see the pattern. Now look, I'm adding 10 cents again. So $1 and 80 cents. I went up by another 10. Now I'm at my nickels, so I'm counting by 5 cents. I'm adding 5 cents, not $5, 5 cents. So my $1 stays the same, and then my cents goes from 80 cents to 85 cents. Okay, plus 5 more, 85, 90. So now it's going to be $1.90. And now we have pennies. We're adding by 1. So 90 goes to 91. So I put my $1 and 91 cents, and then another penny. So I put my $1 and I have 92 cents. So $1.92. And then I add one more penny. So now I have $1 and 93 cents total. So look, if we were counting it, we would have said $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.60, $1.70, $1.80, $1.85, $1.90, $1.91, $1.92, $1.93 is the total amount of money I have. Okay, let's go ahead and look at my next problem. So we have $3 bills here. So this isn't just $1, this is $3. I'm going to write that amount down here. We have $3. And then I'm going to show you a little different strategy, and you might like this strategy better. Let's go through and mark the values of our coins. This is our quarter. It is worth 25 cents. And then I have several dimes. A dime is worth 10 cents, so I put 10 on each of them. And then I have my nickel. It is worth 5 cents. And my pennies, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So now we're ready to count our money. What I want to do differently this time than the other time is let's just count our coins like we did before. And then let's add them to our dollars. Now, instead of just writing the cent sign, though, I will do our dollar and our decimal so we'll know how they fit together. So we're at 25 cents. Now we're going to add 10 more. So 25 plus 10 more is 35 cents. And you know, my decimal's kind of hanging up there in the air. Need to fix that a little bit. So there we go. Get that decimal right down here. That's a little bit better. Now I'm adding 10 more. So from 35, I go to 45 cents. And then I add 10 more. So from 45, I go to 55 cents. You should be able to tell me what comes next. I'm adding 10 more cents. So from 55, I go to 65 cents. And now I'm just adding 5 cents. So I'm counting by 5, 65, 70. So now I will be at 70 cents. And now I will be at 71 cents. And now I will be at 72 cents. And now at 73 cents. And keep counting up. We've got another one. And how much? 74 cents. Yes, so we do our dollar sign, our decimal. Oops, my cursor kind of slid up. So now $1.74. So this strategy I did a little different. So we have 74 cents right here, and we have $3 right here. So now let's put that together. So all you have to do is combine the $3 with the 74 cents. And that way, some people find it easier to just count all their coins and then put it together with their dollar bills. It's your choice to start here and count up, or to count your coins, count your dollars, and put them together. Either way works as long as you understand how to count that money.